Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. So let's continue our preparation. The next one is mutations and it's an easy one. Let's click on solve challenge. Alright, it is going to give us a string and we are simply going to add or in other words insert another character inside that string. So you can read more information in the left side, but I'm going to write the code. I'm simply going to create a variable called output, and this output should be I'm going to follow exact instructions it has given us. So I'm going to copy the text from left side and paste it here with a little modifications. So this K should be deleted, and instead of it we should write down character. This string up to index 5 should be up to position, and this should be a string from position plus 1 to the end. Alright, this is our output variable and we can simply return output and everything should be fine. Let's submit the code. There are two test cases. I will put the link of this problem and answer and everything you need in the description of this video. Alright, both of them are correct. This was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.